This dent right here, if you take the light and put it right in the middle, you're gonna watch. I'm gonna use this tool. What I'm doing is I'm getting behind the brace. I'm using the brace as leverage. And you watch. See how it's kind of changing colors? See how I'm pushing up? A lot of pushes for a little bitty dent like this. But that's how you make them correct. Perfect. You don't try to bring them up in 3 seconds. Take your time and you just push slowly. The trick is to get the low parts out. See that? See how I'm getting low parts out? And you notice I got a light over here. Got to work them from 2 directions to make sure they come out right, so you don't get what we call rivers in them. But there you go. That's 98% out of there now. And I'm done.